In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Strava activity. If you've ever logged a workout by mistake, ended up with a duplicate, or just want to tidy up your training history, deleting an activity is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process on the Strava mobile app and share a few tips along the way so you feel confident before you remove anything. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and on a stable internet connection so changes sync properly. Once the app is open, look to the bottom of the screen and tap the tab labeled You. This is your personal area in Strava, and it's where your profile, stats, and history live. If you're not already there, this will switch you from the home feed to your profile view. Next, tap Activities. This opens a chronological list of your recorded workouts, runs, rides, hikes, and more. Take a moment to scroll and locate the exact activity you want to remove. It helps to check the date, distance, and time so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one. If you're cleaning up duplicates, compare the details to be sure you're selecting the extra copy. When you found it, tap the activity to open its detailed page. You'll see the map, splits, and any kudos or comments associated with it. From here, look to the top of the screen for the three dots icon. This is the More or Options menu. Tap those three dots to reveal additional actions you can take on this activity. In the menu that appears, select Delete Activity. Strava may prompt you to confirm. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm. The activity will be removed from your profile, your training log, your followers' feeds, and any segment leaderboards it was part of. Keep in mind that deletion is permanent and typically can't be undone, so double check the details before you commit. After deletion, you'll return to your activity list and the workout you removed will no longer appear. If you don't see the change right away, give the app a moment to refresh or pull down on the list to sync. Also note, you can only delete activities that are on your own account. Shared events or someone else's posts can't be removed from their profile by you. That's all there is to it. Open Strava, go to You, tap Activities, open the one you don't want, use the three dots, and choose Delete Activity. Thanks for watching, and take care when managing your training history so it reflects exactly what you want to keep.